Hi friends, welcome to KKPBT online training Telugu, Telugu and English in Bangalore. Actually, we are started into the new batch data engineering online training. So we are covered topics in Azure, Azure fundamental, Azure data storages, and also the Azure data factory and Snowflake. So those are into the my skills. So whatever the I conducted skills, those things. So and also the end of the thing, I will tell into the project end to end and also the demo class at 12 May 2023 at 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. So 13/5 May 2023 at 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. So for the eligibility means minimum degree is required and BTech, MTech or BCom, any degree, minimum is degree is required. So before, if in case anyone interested, please contact this below two numbers. And coming to the syllabus and agendas, so data analyst and data engineering. So what is the different, what is the roles and responsibilities between the data analyst and data engineering? Again, we have to tell into the Azure fundamental syllabus. Syllabus here, now see this one, Azure fundamental syllabus, what is cloud computing, benefits of the cloud computing and types of the cloud computing and all those things, those are into the Azure syllabus, Azure fundamental syllabus. Next one వచ్చేసేమంటే sorry, next thing is Azure data factory. In this Azure data storages. In this Azure data storages, we cover into the Azure blob storage, Azure data lake Gen 1, Azure data lake Gen 2. Next one is Azure SQL database and Azure Cosmos DB. And also the here what we discussed here, what is the use of the data storage like blob storage and data lake storage and ADLS Gen 2, Azure SQL, what is the use and how to use that one. Next one is how to create the storage account. So how to create a storage account and how to upload the data into the storage account. Next one is how to connect the Azure data storage to Power BI. Like for example, from the Azure blob storage to connect with the Power BI, Azure data lake Gen 2 to connect with the Power BI. Next one is Azure SQL Server to connect with the Power BI, how to create the report, how to set up the gateways. So those topics we will discuss onto the Azure data storages. Next one coming to the Azure data factory. Here we have discussed the, so what is data factory? What is the use? Next one is what are the main component? So what are the data flows available into the Azure data factory and also the type of activities we have into the Azure data factory. They have the lot of activities, data movement activity, data transformation activity, control activity, and also the general activity. So last and final thing is we have to discuss onto the end-to-end project. For example, where the client how to give the project. So how we can deliver the data. So all those things we can cover into the end-to-end project. Next one is Snowflake. So Snowflake syllabus is introduction of the Snowflake. What is the use of the Snowflake? So how to use that one and why we use it to Snowflake and also the and also the what is the architecture of this Snowflake? What is the key features of the Snowflake? How to create a Snowflake account? How to create a logins and how to perform the SQL queries using the Snowflake. Next stages of the Snowflake and loading the data into the Snowflake. And last and final thing, complex queries and connect into the MS SQL Server to ADF project. One project I will explain on one project. MS SQL Server to Azure Data Factory and Azure Data Factory. By using of Azure Data Factory, how to copy the data from MS SQL Server to Snowflake and then connect into the Snowflake DB to Power BI. We have to create a end-to-end project. So this is the Snowflake DB. So entire this course will be here. So what are the benches? Total course in English and Telugu. Both languages we have teaching everything and easy and simple explanation. Simple and easy or easy and simple explanation. And first I will tell into the theoretical knowledge. Then I will tell into the practical knowledge. So then I will give into the everyday and the task. And also I give into 10 demo live projects and we provide into the materials and recorded videos. I will share you. Then after this course and every day we have to before start the class I will ask into the 10 to 15 minutes Q&A section. So whatever we discussed into the yesterday class, we will discuss that topics. Are I asked some question, I will ask that questions. And today, next one is we connect the mock interest. What are the total? We have to connect into the mock interest. The total fee is 15K. So entire the four skills key is fee is 15K. Total duration is 75 days. Every day is 1.5 hour per sorry. Total duration is 60 days. 6 days is total duration. Every day the class will be daily 1.5 hour. Every 1.5 hour. The timing we should be we used into the 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Just 1.5 hour every day from the day 12th to we have to end up the day. After 6 days we will close this one. So that's it. So if in case anyone to interest learn this those type of skills, please reach out these contact numbers. I will tell you the how to registration and all those things. If in case anyone to interest to join the class demo class, you will attend any demo class, you just click on into just search into the this video comment section. I will pin into the I will pin into the demo link. You have to click that link. You have to join into the that demo class. That the class timing is, I will repeat once again. The class timing is 12 May 2023, 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Again, 13 May 2003, 7 p.m. to 18 p.m. I will repeat once again. The course fee is 15,000 and the timing is daily 1.5 hour. Total course duration is 60 days. And I will repeat once again. So we don't like I don't give any job support and work support. Okay, I will tell whatever the things, what are the my knowledge, I will share you. So that's it. Do you have any queries? Please reach out these two numbers.